Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will just take a look at what is Django framework and how it works. First, let's see what is Web framework. Web framework is a designed to support the development of web application, including web services, web resources, and web APIs. Always web frameworks have bundle of built-in tools and libraries to easy our work and give more future. Now let's move into Django Web Framework. What is Django Web Framework? It's a Python-based open source web framework for web development. It supports full stack development for web applications. It provides rapid development for our application so that we can meet our deadlines very easily. It contains a lot of built-in libraries to make our development more faster. With Django, we have one more possibility. If you wish to use it for only backend development, then Django provides option for that too. We can use Django REST framework for our backend development. Especially, it is designed to build REST API. So you can connect to the REST API by any of the application made for Android, iOS or web browsers. In our course, we will look into Django Web Framework and we will be working on our both front-end and back-end development. In future, I will try to make courses on Django REST Framework with any other front-end framework like Angular or React. Thank you. We will see you on next video.